how to send large videos on Gmail, maybe up to 20 GB of files. Now, you want to actually send a large GB video, maybe it is a 4K video or whatever else it is, right? Now, the first thing that I would recommend you is that from the Gmail itself, the file size limit is only 25 MB. So there's no way that you can send from Gmail. So alternatively, you have to use services which offer you cloud sharing services. So there are many services. There are Mediafire, there is Mega, there is, let's say, Google Drive, there is anything as such. Now, instead, one of the most recommended ones is you can actually just use Google Drive by going to drive.google.com. Now, Google itself, but on the free version, they only offer you 15 gigabytes of storage, right? And if you have got, let's say, a video that is, let's say, 17 gigabytes and it doesn't fit because this is the 15 gigabytes, you can try to compress that video by maybe compressing into a archive format. Once you've done that, then you can basically upload the video to Google Drive. And once you upload the video to Google Drive, you can get a shareable link for that video. So it doesn't have to be a video, it could be any file, right? And once you've done that, let's say all you have to do is right click on it, click on the share option, and you can click on the copy link option. Then you can simply attach it on your Gmail. So that's the way to do it. You have to maybe upload the video somewhere, and it doesn't have to be Google Drive, by the way. It can be any of the services that you might prefer to use. So I hope that this video helped you understand. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.